hands on my body.
So I'm just going to show you guys how to sew a band into your wig. I normally did not like doing that because it will hurt my head like crazy. But I seen this girl. I'm going to try to link her video in my description box. And if I can find it, it's going to be there. And if not, then it's not. But I seen her kind of sewing the band. Normally, you know how I told you guys that I take the combs out of the the pre-made wigs? Where the two combs would be at the top of your head, that's where you're going to sew the bands. I'm going to just demonstrate so you guys can see, and then I'm going to put the wig on so you guys can see how it's laying. The hair is from Westkiss hair. It's 3 18-inch bundles and an 18-inch frontal, but I only used 2 bundles to create this wig because I didn't want it to be too big. But this is how it looks, and this is actually one of my favorite curly wigs, to be honest. So we're going to put it inside out like so. So this is the back of the wig. Also, the wig and the wig stand will be linked in my description box, so you guys can purchase it if you want this exact one. So I'm just going to put it like this. And then I'm going to use T-pins to hold that in place. Also, I just want to tell you guys I made this wig myself, so my email will be in the description box if you want to get a wig made. Alright, so I found the band. Normally I have like the thicker ones, but you could buy this on Amazon. I will try to link them down below. So all you want to do is measure this around the back of your head just to see like how tight or how loose you want it to be. So I'm just going to go like, can you see me? I go like this, ear to ear. And make sure it's like not too loose, because when you put it on you want it to have a little bit of tension to make sure that the lace is flat. So you go like so. And then mine is kind of like this much. So I'm going to cut exactly this. I seen like before people would be like, oh, when you measure it, cut half of that. But that shit is going to give you a headache, and you're going to want to walk around with no wig on, because that shit's going to make you go crazy. So I'm just going to cut it like so. And then, normally you guys know, so this is the back of the wig and this is the lace. Normally you know that the combs are going to be right here. So that's where we're going to measure out and put it. So I'm putting it like so. Don't put it too close to the ear tabs, because if you need to cut around your ear, you're going to cut the elastic band and you're going to have to start all over. So do it a little bit higher like this. And then you can use some T-pins to hold that into place. And then we're going to just put it right around and connect it to the other side. And I kind of just eyeball it because I know where the combs are. If you don't, you can put it on your head and kind of like use an eye pencil or something and mark it so you can know. So then I just pull it around and place it on the other side like this, and I'm going to pin that down as well. Okay, and when you're done, your wig should look like this. This is how it should be laying, just like that. Make sure you're always sewing the little edge part, because if you're not, when you put it on, it will rip your lace. So you go like this. And I always, like, when you start it, I'm going to go through the knot. Like, open the thread like this and put the needle through it. So it makes like an anchor or something. I don't know. This helps though. Alright, you guys. And also make sure you follow Tropic Touches on Instagram. That is my wig page, because I make wigs and stuff. I'm thinking about doing installs for other people really soon, so if anything, it will be updated on that website. I am located in Maryland, USA, so if you guys are interested in that, please stay updated with the page and you can see it. So right here we're finished, and you guys can see how the wig is snug on my head, but I also like that the ear tabs are up. So I'm just cutting out the excess lace and making sure that everything is laying proper before I attempt to glue this down. So that's basically all I'm doing right here, is just fixing up the lace. And then, alright you guys, I'm going to test out this Got2b Freeze Blast Spray mixture. I'm going to put it at the back of my hand like so, like I see all the other girls doing. Like this. And then I'm going to spray some of my Got2b spray. And I see them rubbing it in. Oh, this is messy. Ooh, it's getting thick. Look. It's getting thick. Okay. Ah! I'm excited. So all I'm going to do is put this at the front area where I would lay my wig down. Yep. This is sticky. So I'm just putting it like I would put glue. I'm going to put it on the next side. I'm just going to spray off my hand with some water and wipe it off. And I'm just going to leave this just to get a little tacky, I guess. I don't know. I like how sticky that got though. I mean, I still like my glue, but I think I'm going to do this because this is just gel and I could just wet my hair and have it come off. Yep. This hair is from Westkiss hair. I already gave you guys a little review on it. I showed you how to sew the band inside of it. And yeah, so all I'm going to do is just put this on. Like that. I'm just going to blow the gel a little bit just to make it get a little tacky quicker. I'm going to lay down this. This is quick and easy. So just lay it down into the gel. And since I have that elastic band, I don't really have to do too much to lay it down. It's just going to lay. I laid a little bit too much on my forehead. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and part out where I would have my baby hairs.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady.
I'm going to go ahead and tie this down and blow it real quick on warm air.
Oh, the way that you move on my thing, girl, it feels so good.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut off these baby hairs.
And I'm know that you lost for.
And I'm just going to wait a little while just so it kind of, I don't know, just so it's dry. And then I'll be right back to show you guys how I just swoop these edges and then we're done. I'm just trying to show y'all this quick and easy way to wear curly hair because I know for the summertime I love some curly hair. But I'm coming with some new stuff because a lot of people told me I should do some more color. So I'm going to hit you guys with some nice vibrant colors. I'm really excited because I never tried colors before. Tell me if you guys are excited as excited as I am because I'm super excited. But yes, so I'm just going to finish this up and show you guys what I'm doing and then we're done. I'm going to go in with some of my maybe I should do a slick ponytail. That would be cute. So I'm going to do a ponytail with a side part. Maybe. Let me see. I'm just spraying the top area just to make sure that this is flat, nice and flat how I want it. Just brush this down. But I'm going to focus on that side in a little while. Let me just, this side is easier to do because it's already laying in this direction. But just like so. Okay, so now on this side, I'm just making sure that I brush this out. Yeah, brush it out. And then make sure I'm brushing it going forward because I want a swoop type of bang. Then I'm going to get some of my mousse. I'm using my Afro G styling mousse. And I'm just going to lay a lot down. Like so. And then I'm going to go back in with my brush. Okay, and now I'm just going to use my comb to swoop this bang. And I want the bang to have like curls in it, so make sure that you see those waves and then kind of swoop them behind your ear like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to smooth the top area down. Make sure that you're covering all these tracks. All these tracks right here. Smooth it back. You want to make sure that you can't see none of your skin through this bang, and hold it and then kind of pull it a little tight, and then make sure you take these little sideburn hairs out, just like so. And then get you a hair tie. You can find these at the dollar store. And I'm going to just tie my hair back. Just like so. Like this. And then you want to just touch up your swoop. So I'm going to go back in with some more mousse just to touch up the swoop. And make sure it's laying how you want it to. Make sure that all these little baby edges and shit is hidden. And if you want it to have like a swoopy kind of look, you could do that as well. You could do the baby hairs on the other side. Mousse, just to give it back that curl. Oh, let me show you guys the back of the wig. The back looks like that. Tell me if you guys like this video and if this was super simple and easy to follow. I really like this. It looks like this. It could be a little bit neater, but y'all know me. And we're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you guys learned something from it. If you guys have any other videos you would like me to make, please comment it down below. I'm coming with some other videos, like, you know, color videos that I'm really excited about, because you guys, I always make videos that you guys want to see. So if you guys aren't feeling the type of video I'm making, please tell me that as well. But I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.
With you, I am only real with you. So I need you to tell me that you love me some more. Put your hands on my body, my clothes at the floor.